Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chunk. We're back with Terraria. When we left off, we had started building our house. We was going to do king slime, which we are going to do this time. So I think we just jump straight back in, finish our house, and try and fight king slime. So, hey, let's go. What should we do first? Should we fight king slime first? And then we can work on the house, can't we? What do we need? Leave. Go here, we need to make a crown. Where do we make the crown? Oh, we've got a painter arrived. Bam, 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 bam. And I think we need to, I don't know where we go. I thought we needed slime. I don't know, just we're going to find out from Garrett. Garrett is always the one to help us. Bum, 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 bum. One crown. We go to a demon altar. Ah, that's why. Okay. Nice one, Garrett. Always there to help. Alright, we need to go over to a demon altar. It's over in the corruption. And then we can make it. I think we should make a little area to fight him because he can be a bit of a pain in the ass. We need to make sure we got enough arrows and stuff before we actually fight him. I don't want to be getting too close to him. You know what I mean? Bum 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 bum. Do 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 do. Nearly there, nearly at the corruption. At least we've got this now, we can actually get down. Hold on. Wait a minute for a minute. I'll be like, kill a few of these before we can actually do anything. Right. Oh. Don't know what he's doing. There we go. And I'm not going to accidentally summon him yet. Back to the house. do we actually make arrows? I can't actually remember. Need a few of them. Bum bum. Why is there an unconscious man? Okay. We've just got the blacksmith. Okay, we've got another person. I wonder if we go to the arms dealer, he might give us some arrows. No, he gives us guns. Oh no, here we go. Arrows. I think that would do. That might have been a few too many arrows. But we'll go make some up now. Boom, baby, boom. Need to find some what do I need? I need more torches. Have we got any more? Yes, we've got gel. That will do. That will do. Then we need. I think we need a little area to fight him, don't we? So maybe we just make a little tiny platform just. Just so we can go backwards and forwards. Not going to be major long, but it's long enough that we can just run backwards and forwards. He's one of the first. I think he is the first boss, which he just hasn't appeared yet. I can't remember how you make him appear. A certain amount of slimes, or I don't know. But He's not difficult, but he can be a little bit of a pain in the arse. Just a little bit. Well, I think. Will that do us? That'll probably do us. And then we need. I don't know. What do we need to break that down? Pickaxe. We don't want them here. We don't want those bits. Can you not put torches down there? Oh, you can. Just wasn't letting me. Bim, bim, biddling, din, din. Now, do you think we're ready? Should we just have a go? See what happens? Move the magic mirror, even though we are right by home, so it's not too difficult. Right. 3, 2, 1. Right, let's do it. Here he comes. Here he is. I say he's not difficult, just a bit of a pain in the bum. His energy's not high. Where'd he go? Somehow he went underground. I don't know how. All the other little slimes appearing as well. They're a pain in the bum. I say he doesn't really get that close to you. It's a bit time consuming. Again there. Bum 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 bum. Looks like he didn't actually need the platform, I don't think. Oh, a little bit of damage. Oh, I got worried then. No, I didn't. Oh, I didn't. He's pretty much dead now, I think. Come on, the last little tiny bit. Last couple of bits. There we go. He is dead. Just got to get rid of all these slimes now. Which are a pain in the bum. What was that one? What is that? I think we got a pet slime. Okay. Just keep him with us, I think. That's 3 bosses down now. Doesn't say I've got a pet. But I don't know. What do we get anyway from got a slime hook. Swap that. That's cool. But there we go. We done King Slime. Just need to do the rest of our house now, I think. Boom, ba-dum, boom, boom. I think we'll put a little fire either side. I have to go now. He needs to be assigned a room, don't he? Ain't there a room at the top? Oh no, we had the painter, didn't we? He's not got a room. We need to build him a room. Let's build him a room. And then he can move in. Oh. Where do I go there? Do a little. Have we got any more chairs? No. Oh, that's really bugging me now. Really in the wrong spot. That's better. Right, we need a chair. And a door. Chair and a door. So, mate, we're making your house. What's your name? I don't know. Have you got a name? Just blacksmith. Crystal stand. Oh, yeah, we can... I think he makes us summon an army, which I might have a go at. Let's buy a few bits. Let's buy a couple of them. I probably wouldn't do very well, but it's worth a go. Let's get a few bits off him. Buy a beer off him. Now, are you gonna get drunk? I don't know. Anyway, we're getting off topic here. We need to make him. We need a door. We'll get a couple of doors. We'll get another one of them. A couple of chairs. And then we get him in his house. No, it's bugging me again. Too far away. Right, there's his chair. There's your door. They're not working. What am I doing wrong? Ah, there we go. I pushed the wrong button. Bloody idiot. Right, he's got a house now. Boom, ba da boom. Bum 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 ba ba bum. Another door. Another table. We still need to find the goblin. We haven't got the goblin yet. And he appears after the goblin army, which we've already done. So we just need to find him. I think he's underground. That might be another time, right? So long-winded making a house, ain't it? But you got a nice place. Oh, there you go, make some more. I think we need some wood. Oh, he's kind of in the house. Let's go this way. We've got someone else turn up. So I don't know where we got this pet from. But he just seems to be around now. Oh, he's off. I think he's going home. Let's go and have a look in the house, actually, because there's someone in there who I don't even know who that is. Who is this? Daphne. What does she sell? Squirrel hook? Whip? Cat license? Dog ears? Dog tail? Think she likes to be a dog. I think she can stay there. Bum 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 bum. I think we need to make a better axe. We haven't done that yet. So I think we've done King Slime now. We've done Eye of Cthulhu. We've done Eater of Worlds. We can do the Brain of Cthulhu, but we need to spawn a Crimson into the world, which I think we'll do later on in time, not now. So we've done all them bosses. The only other easier boss is Skeletron. Skeletron? Not Skeletor. That's He-Man. He has the power. Skeletron, who is in a dungeon. But I think we need to get some better armour. Which I've got the Demonite. I need to make up some Demonite stuff. And I'm still waiting for a meteorite to hit the Earth. Might have to fight the Eater of Worlds again. Because I've not seen a meteorite hit the Earth yet. Oh wait! Fucking slime. What the? What was that? It's like splattered in the sky. Bum 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 bum. Take the chest. Because we always need chests. Do-do-do. Oh, no. We can't get out that way. Oh, dear. That's the one. Oh, no. I'm not having much luck here. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Oh! Thought after all that I was going to get knocked down. I'm going to get these trees. Because I need the wood. But yeah, I think after Skeletron, then we go on to we've got to fight the Wall of Flesh. We haven't even been down to hell yet. Oh! I'm so sorry, I'm not a bunny killer. Didn't mean to do that. I do like the bunnies. Definitely a better axe. This axe is crap. I swear it's a duck. Not Did you hear it? Yeah, I told you it was a duck. It's messing about on the river. Wah, wah. I think we should go back home, make some better weapons. What can we make with the demon? Nope. Oh. That's quite cool. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it. No, I love it. Can we not make any demonite armor? Garrett. Just because I'm not 100%. Have we got any of them? Shadow scales. I think we need to fight something again. Maybe shadow scales. Will we get them from Eye of Cthulhu? Should we have another go at Eye of Cthulhu? Or should we have a... No, I haven't got... I don't think I've got anything from fighting Evil Worlds. Or have I? Oh no, yeah, we could fight the Evil Worlds again. That might be a fun one. I just need to get rid of some of this stuff. Oh no, look, we have got some shadow scales. There they are. Ah, we can still fight the Evil Worlds again, just for fun. See if we can do it. Just get rid of some of this stuff first. We will, once we've done our house up, put with this stuff. Into the house. We'll move chests over, we'll organise it all. Or I might do it off camera, I ain't decided yet. Because you might get bored. We ain't got no more room in there. Might use that actually. Helps with defense. Right, have we moved enough stuff out of the way? I think maybe we'll have a go at both. What do we reckon? Let's do it. Let's do it! Take him over to our new little, not arena, but our little area. Don't want to kill everyone. Sorry guys. Come on. I think we run out of our arrows. The Bernie ones. Oh! Oh no, we're down to just wood arrows now. Like this. Oh, you've changed. Oh! It's alright. Not doing us too much damage. I think he's going to die before us. Ah! Oh, all that stuff's underground. All our stuff went underground. That was quite funny, really. And then we fight the Eater of Worlds. Can we fight him here? I gather not. I gather it has to be in the corruption. Go over have a quick fight. Or do you know what? I feel that should be the next video. We will start off with a fight against the Eater World, so we will leave it here for tonight. It's bedtime anyway. Look at it. It's night time. We just fought the Eye of Cthulhu. We fought King Slime. We're getting our house done slowly. Need some more materials. So when we come back, we will fight Eater of Worlds again. And then we'll have a go at that. I think it's like an army. Hopefully we get some better ammo, weapons and armour and all that. So come back, keep liking, keep subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you. Bye.